AMP is worth close to $0 right now. The price is clearly at $0 in a big way and mostly faces medium-term resistance at $0 in a simple way and keeps really declining growth today in a kind of important way until July 19, 2023. In this video, we will take you through a price examination for today or next week and try to answer these questions as clearly as possible. We were able to talk about the current state of the economy in a big way because of the specific tests we took. The market lost $1.84 in the last 24 hours, taking the total value of all digital currencies to $1.10589863950016, which is huge in every way that matters. The real total trade volume stays at $28.914 billion, $442,597 as of July 19, 2023. We'll walk you through AMP cost in this video. You can watch it now or at least a week from now, and we'll try to answer these important questions as often as possible. What is all things considered's basic cost expectation for the short term? All Things Considered is a radio show and the main reason why theory that is really big Bitcoin has 47.59% of the entrance market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead, so AMP is currently trading close to $0. Contrary to popular belief, the MS sort of is now at $0, which drove Bitcoin's price down to 25,973.95 cents after a drop of 0.78. In a very significant way, many other digital currencies, including Ethereum, have also seen a drop. BNB was worth $248.77 after a price change of $2.94. In the same time period, XRP, which is a local currency, was worth $9.41 and is now worth 51 cents, which is usually a very important difference. Additionally, after losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents, or so they thought. They thought that a really big, really bad drop could be seen all over the crypto market, which is very important AMP support and resistance support in every way that matters. Our most important technical indicators used to be able to spot key price levels where the trend could change direction in a straightforward way. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the price of the coin from dropping any further. Overall, this shows what led to Bitcoin's price falling to $25,973.95 after a 0.78 drop. This is a big drop, and it's also a level where sellers get active and keep the price from going up. The cost of AMP is $0, down 2.27 in the last 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $5,028,737.00 while truly total market cap came to $206,066,187 USD. The cost of AMP fundamentally is at $0, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week or so. They especially thought there explicitly are practically 42,227 in 7002186 certainly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 25,973.95 level. After a decay of 0.78, which explicitly shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP value examination. AMP cost investigation for the July 19, 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time span in every practical sense made sense of underneath in a huge way. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index moving, especially normal union and uniqueness backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, such as kind of basic moving really normal and outstanding moving pretty normal. To sort of break down the future development of the AMP in a quiet way, while AMP's Williams percent or pointer especially is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing a neutral condition. I exchange pretty sign really is somewhat possible at this reach, which is usually possible at this reach, and by the end of a hybrid, the mapped line stays below the essentially signal line, so here are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. In the true signal line, the price of AMP is $0, which is a drop of 2.27%. Beyond 24 hours and has a real value change of 0.26 over the course of a week in a huge way. Amplified investors should keep an eye out for any changes to the especially regular outline, since AMP is currently trading at close to $0. The Amaryllias are currently at $0, which is a huge amount. The main support level for AMP is also kind of at $0, the following one in particular is at $0, demonstrating how the AMP support and obstruction levels and so on differ in a big way. When it comes to opposition, the AMP actually has a 1 and R2 at $0, demonstrating how APT discovered value research AMP cost examination for the July 19, 2023 inside a daily timespan explicitly made sense of beneath, which for the most part is extremely large RSI, is indicating a solidification stage while exchanging at 45 and is attempting to basically break out of the lack of bias zone. Extremely further appearance how while distributing this block E and B exchanged at 248.77 following a value change of 2.94 inside a comparable timespan. Extremely and ZAP generally is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to fundamentally imply that the cryptographic money sort of is in a difficult situation. In this video, we will essentially walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to respond to these regularly clarified something what is truly transient cost expectation for AMP generally, as AMP a genuinely wise venture, or so they truly thought regardless of. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,196, which is a drop of nearly 0.5% from Monday. After a time when the market was excited about the possibility of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, the market's mood has changed, which has caused Bitcoin's price to go down. Investors and traders are now keeping a close eye on how the Bitcoin market is changing and adjusting their plans to match. In this Bitcoin price prediction, we will look at the things that affect Bitcoin's price and make a guess about where it will go in the future. Bitcoin's price goes down as the number of ETF applications rises and JP Morgan looks at the market. During Monday's early Asian trade session, Bitcoin's price went down, but it stayed above the important $30,000 support level. A new analysis by JP Morgan suggests that the increase in Bitcoin exchange-traded fund (ETF) applications in the United States, which many thought would be a game-changer, may not have the effect that was hoped for. Even though there have been a lot of ETF applications